Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the tach signal source because accurate signal type prevents damage. Identify whether the engine uses a distributor, ECU pulse, or coil negative pulse. Once done, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts and gather the meter, connectors, and the tach gauge kit. Probe the suspected wire with a multimeter while cranking to verify pulsed voltage. This step tells you where to splice. Make sure to note wire insulation color and routing so you can install neat, reversible connections. You now mount the gauge and route wiring with care. Cut a dash hole or use a pod, test fit the gauge, and ensure space for depth and connectors. Once done, route the signal wire from the engine bay through an existing grommet or a new, protected hole to avoid chafing. Make sure to connect switch 12V power to a fuse source and a solid chassis ground. Secure all wires with loom and zip ties, keeping them clear of moving parts and high heat areas. You finish by making final electrical connections. Attach the verified signal wire to the tach input, hook the fused switch 12V, and connect ground. Then reconnect the battery. Start the engine and watch the gauge for steady, proportional needle movement. Rev the engine gently to confirm accurate RPM scaling. If the reading is jumpy or pegged, make sure the ground is solid, recheck signal waveform with the meter, and consider adding a resistor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.